Welcome to my channel Chubby Views. Today in this video you'll know about world's first ATM machine invented by John Adrian Shepherd Barron. John Adrian Shepherd Barron was an Indian-born British inventor who led the team that installed the first cash machine. He was born on 23rd June 1925 at Dr. H. Gordon Roberts Hospital, Shillong, Meghalaya in India, to an British parents. His father, Wilford Shepherd Barron, was a chief engineer of a Chittagong port, commissioners in North Bengal, in which at that time it was a part of British Empire. His mother, Dorothy, was an Olympic tennis player. Shepherd Barron was educated at Stowe School, the University of Edinburgh and Trinity College, Cambridge. He dropped out the college after finishing first year in economics. And later he was also commissioned into airborne forces during World War II in 159th Parachute Light Regiment. John Shepherd Barron joined Delarue Company, the company which provides fully finished banknotes. In there he was a management trainee. Once John Shepherd Barron needed the money and he went to bank. He was facing problems of bank opening hours and closing hours. Once he turned up at the bank few minutes late after closing time of the bank and found himself unable to withdraw money. So he came up with an idea for a self-serve machine dispensing cash. John Shepherd Barron said that he was inspired by a chocolate vending machine, and he himself stated that it struck me there must be a way I could get my own money anywhere in the world or in the UK. I hit upon the idea of a chocolate bar vending machine but replacing chocolate with cash. As chocolate vending machine inspired him a lot, keeping that concept in the mind, he invented the cash dispensing machine. He set the idea to the head person of Barclays Bank with having a drinks together and joined hands for this project. The first Delarue automatic cash system, DACS machine called Barclay Cash, was installed outside the Enfield branch of Barclays Bank in North London in June 1967. The first person to withdraw cash was Reg Varney, a celebrity resident of Enfield, known for his part in number of popular television series. An early placement of this device outside of the UK took place in Zurich on November 1967. It was called Geldautomat. The DACS machine, that is Barclays Cash machine, used chuck-like tokens which was filled with an radioactive compound of carbon-14. The radioactive signal was detected by the machine and matched against the pin, that is personal identification number, entered on a keypad. Initially, a pin length of 6 digits was proposed. John Shepherd Barron tested this system on his wife Caroline but found that it has a longer string of number and she could not remember, and she was remembered only 4 digits. As a result, 4 digits pins were chosen everywhere and only 4 digits were kept as a pin number. As these ATMs expanded across the globe, it made the world standard. Withdrawals from the first Barclays cash machines were limited to maximum of £10. Barron said it was quite enough for a wild weekend. Shepherd Barron received the OBA reward, that is Officer of the Order of British Empire, in 2005 and New Year's Honours List for service to banking and as the inventor of an automatic cash dispenser. Various rival and improvised cash dispenser systems quickly began to emerge, like Dr. Duduk Kuang, who improvised the ATM machine as per the facilities of banking system, and even Donald C. Wetzel, who is an American businessman known for holding the USA patent to the automatic teller machine. However, Shepherd Barron's machine was the first to be installed, and he died at 15th May 2010 at the age of 84 in Scotland. Barclays Bank has installed a gold-colored machine at its Enfield branch, where the first cash point was unveiled on 27 June 1967. Thanks for watching my video. If you like my video, subscribe to my channel, click the like button and click the bell icon to know my new updates.